What's going on, guys? It's Jake here, and today we are going to restore this disgusting Game Boy Advance and make it look brand new again. I don't know what else to say. Let's just get into the video. This thing is disgusting. This has got to be the most yellowed plastic I have ever seen. This is supposed to be a Glacier Game Boy Advance. Again, this is the #1 reason why you shouldn't smoke. But that's not the only thing. There's dirt, scratches, and some lovely stickers. I'm gonna try my best to keep all the original parts, but no promises. Let's take this thing apart. I'm guessing the previous owner lived in a sandcastle? That's gross. But before we get to that, let's clean up the power switch like I did in my short that's blowing up for some reason. Now let's try and clean this motherboard as best we can with some IPA. Since this dirt is being very stubborn, let's get out the CLR.
I put that on everything.
The screen and screen lens aren't good anymore, so let's get rid of them. And that's the color that it's supposed to be. Let's get all the pieces together and soak them in some hot soapy water. This time lapse of me taking off the stickers is 16 minutes long. These came out great. Just kidding. Let's try and lighten these up. I let these sit for about 3 days. And this is where I started to lose my mind. Let's try it again with some fresh peroxide. It's getting better, but still not where I want it to be. Let's try OxyClean. Maybe the dishwasher. Soft scrub? Okay, the 6% developer cream should work.
For life's bleachable moments.
If 12% is good enough for odd tinkering, then it's gotta work. I let this sit for a week, and I refilled it again and did it for another few days. Sanding it down and buffing it is kind of my last option. It looks so much better than it did, but I have to go with another shell. This one's just too nice not to use. The new shell still needs a light cleaning, so let's go ahead and do that. And let's put it all back together. And since we're not using the original shell, I'll put some aftermarket buttons on. We'll use the original membranes though because those turned out really good. All the buttons work great and it plays games. I'm pretty bummed I didn't get to fix the original shell, but I really tried as best I could. If you know me, you know I don't like to give up. When I'm that determined, I really hate giving up. But I had to throw in the towel on this one. I started this over a month ago. I was actually starting it when I was finishing up the PlayStation 1 controller. So yeah, don't say I didn't try. With these types of videos, I will always try and keep all the original parts, but this time these were just too far gone. But even still, I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you did, listen to Brittany. Seriously, leaving likes helps so much. And what helps even more is subscribing. If you're new here, please subscribe. Only 4% of my viewers are actually subscribed. I don't know why there's airplanes flying over my house right now, but if you want a cool shirt or an awesome modded Game Boy, go check out my website, retroremastered.com. If you want more of my lovely face, you can follow me on other social medias. I also have a TikTok if that's your thing. And if you want to go even further like these lovely folks here, you can check out my Patreon. But I think that's all for now, so I will see you guys in the next one. Got a big wind up for that one. Later, guys. Did any of you really think I snorted that? Come on now.